Hi everyone, it's Erica from Dime a Dozen Makeup. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, just like a vlog to let you know where I've been and stuff. Since October, I've been working on furthering my career as a makeup artist, and it was really exciting. I actually went to school in late September, early October to become a makeup artist. I went to a makeup school, and it's hard to find those. There's not a lot around. The most popular ones are in like New York and California, but there's not really a lot of makeup schools. So I found one where I live and I was really excited. It's not a beauty school. Beauty schools usually only have a day or two devoted to makeup. So like if you're interested in becoming a makeup artist and want to go to school for it, I would not recommend a beauty school. And it's going to be really mostly hair and nails, and if that's not what you're interested in, I wouldn't do it because it's just going to be a waste of your time, and they're also really expensive most of the time. So anyway, in October, I went to a makeup school, and it was really exciting. It was a 5-week program, 6 hours a day, 5 days a week. And now I'm a certified makeup artist, which was extremely exciting because it was a dream come true. I always wanted to do makeup as a living, but I never thought it was a realistic choice. I always thought that like it was one of those things that, you can do as a hobby, but I realized, if I work hard and I keep my passion strong and like, I'm dedicated and ambitious, which I am, I can make it in this career. So I was excited and I did that because I went to college for a year and it just wasn't for me. I did really well. I was on the dean's list and everything, but what I was studying just wasn't going to be a good job. So like I changed my major like 3 times. So I was just like, you know what? This is not working and I'm wasting my parents' money because I'm not happy and I'm not going to get anything good out of this. So I stopped going to school and started at the makeup school. I became a certified makeup artist, and now I just work my same part-time job I've had since I started making videos, and then I do makeup when I'm not working there. So it's really exciting. I do photo shoots. There's a website if you are interested in becoming a makeup artist and you want to meet photographers and models and stuff to build your portfolio, because that's really the main thing. Like once you decide you want to be a makeup artist, you need a portfolio because people want to see what you can do. Even if you don't want like a physical portfolio, you need like a website or something where they could see your pictures. So I went on the website and it is called modelmayhem.com. I will put it like right over here somewhere when I edit the video. It's modelmayhem.com. You make a profile. They're kind of picky with who they let on. You have to have like good makeup pictures. Like you can't have like cell phone pics. It's not gonna, unless it's like good quality cell phone pictures, because that's what I started out with. But like not like, mirror duck face, like you with like red lips and like, loads of mascara. It has to be like, professional looking. So I made one. I met a model. She introduced me to a photographer. I worked with him and he introduced me to like 3 other photographers. And so basically I got sucked into this little like circle of photographers and models that they're all friends, and I work with each of them, meeting new models, having new pictures. I'm getting jobs out of it. It's really exciting, and I have a lot of good pictures. I have my portfolio with me, but I only have 4 pictures printed. I can show it to you real quick, not right this second because I have to go get it. But yeah, it's really exciting. I've done like lots of photo shoots, like tons of them. And yeah, it's just really a dream come true. And it's something that could happen for anyone. You could do it too. You just research, you find a school. If you don't want to go to school, you can just, take some good pictures, make an account on Model Mayhem, and do your thing. It's really exciting. But it is, a business where you need to be careful because you're working with strangers. So you just need to make sure you meet up with people that you know are legit. Like if their website is non-existent and like they have no one that can vouch for their services and stuff, I would not meet up with them. And it is okay in this field to go with an escort, like bring someone with you. And if you're nervous about a situation, I would recommend that. I usually don't bring an escort with me on photo shoots, but that's just because I'm in this circle of people that I already know are good people because I know the one guy and he introduces me to everyone else. So pretty much you just need to be careful. And if you're careful and you're smart and you're talented, you can make your dreams come true. It's realistic. You can do it. I'm doing it right now, you know, and I never thought it was like something that could actually happen for me until I looked into it. Like, if you have a dream and you have a passion, you gotta like, I say like way too much. You have to just try for it and do all that you can. That's what I told my parents when I, not dropped out of school, 'cause that sounds like I gave up on like everything, but basically when I left school, I told them, look, I'm not going to let you down. This is going to be my career. I'm not going to be like a bum or anything. There's absolutely nothing wrong with people that don't go to college, because you know what? A lot of people that do have a college degree are working in retail right now because there's just not a lot of jobs out there. And with makeup, there's always someone getting married. There's always going to be a bride. There's always going to be magazines and television that need makeup artists. Like, you have a chance, you know? Like, if you major in business, you know, who isn't majoring in business? You might not get a job. Like, some people might think what I did was foolish, but honestly, I'm doing good. I'm doing good in this field. I'm doing great. So if this is something you want to do, I would say look into a school if you think you need the help. I did all my, makeup learning myself, and I read Bobbi Brown books and YouTube videos, the internet. Like, I researched and knew how to do makeup on my own. But going to school, they like fine tune your skills. They teach you how to be clean, how to keep everything sanitary. They teach you the business behind it, how to make sure you aren't getting gypped or cheated on anything, how to make a contract, how to make everything, resume. Like, I learned everything I'll ever need. And you know what? Like, all the things I learned have come in handy so far. All the skills, all the tricks, everything. You just really, if you don't want to go to school, that's fine, but do your research. Make sure you're safe with this field, and you'll have a great time. I'm having a great time. So I'm going to let you take a peek at my portfolio. I'm going to go get it for you. Okay, so here's my portfolio. It's just like a black book. I got it online. Woo! It's 8 by 10. I think. I don't remember. I think it's 8 by 10. But I just have like 4 pictures in here. And in case you're wondering, I do have permission from the models to use their pictures on the internet and stuff. So here's one that I did. Yeah. It's like a natural look. Major glare. Hello. Hello, laptop. Thanks for falling. Yeah, you're balanced on pillows right now, guys. And I'm about to get dressed for work and do my makeup, hence the lovely t-shirt and lack of makeup. Here's another one. And then the next one's with a good friend of mine who's a model. She's actually the first model I worked with. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize I skipped a page. This was a sugar skull. Around Halloween, I'll do a tutorial for this. Isn't that cool? I was so proud of how that picture came out. I was so excited. And then this one was just kind of for fun. It's kind of weird looking, but it was just for fun. Kind of like Lady Gaga looking style. She just had like a smoky eye, glitter on her lips, this little stencil thing and a heart. Same stencil I used in my Winter Fantasy tutorial, if you noticed. So yeah, that's my portfolio for now. I have to print more pictures because I have so many pictures. I'm considering maybe making a video that is a slideshow of all the pictures of the photo shoots I've done. If you're interested, let me know. I'll get the models' permissions and everything. And also, if there's any of the looks you want to see as a tutorial, I can do that for you, and that would be great, right? Because I've done some cool things. I've done a geisha, I've done body painting, I've done the sugar skull, I've done like a vampire, just everyday smoky eye, natural look, bridal photo shoot. What else have I done? Like colorful, I've done a tattoo, pinup. So if there's anything that you want me to do a tutorial for, and if you want me to put up the pictures as a slideshow, let me know, because I think that'd be a lot of fun. I think that you guys would like that. I would link you guys to my website for makeup, but it has my personal information on it, like my phone number and location and stuff, so I really would rather not. I don't want anyone to show up at my door and be like, OMG, hi, you're Diamond Doesn't Makeup. That just sounds like a bad idea. So I'll probably make a slideshow video. Just let me know if you want to. And let me know of anything else you want. Thank you for watching my video. That's where I've been. Now that I have, you know, fine-tuned my talents and everything, let me know anything you want me to do, because I really want to make videos again, because makeup is just what I love and it's what I want to do my whole life. So let me know what you think down below, and let me know if you want me to make a video of the pictures. Thank you for watching. Bye! Did anyone notice my little penguin friend throughout this video? Nope. If you notice the penguin, you win. You win. You just win, because penguins rule the world.